Hi everybody, Mike Castelluccio here. Last week we started our samples of outdoor debris and foliage we found in our refrigerator in mason jars filled with water to see if we could culture and collect some microorganisms. Our grass cuttings and leaves and our vegetable matter were placed in jars. And as I said in the instructions, after a week, we should see some material or see some microorganisms grow on these samples. The material, as I said, is going to be pungent, to say the least, downright stinky, if you ask anybody else. So what we've done is I've taken a small sample from each of these jars and placed them on slides. This is the sample from the vegetable, which didn't produce much. It had mainly bacteria and yeasts growing on them, not a whole lot of microorganisms. The material from the backyard, though, with the grass and the dirt and the sticks, has a literal zoo running around in the microscope right now. And I'm taking a few videos and a few time-lapse to post on the site. One trick that I can offer is I picked up some microscope slides that have a little well. It's a little divot in the glass, so it actually can hold a little liquid. When you put the cover glass on, there's a small indentation in the glass, and that allows you to take a little bit more material, a little bit more liquid, and view it through your microscope. So we've set up the microscope with our smartphone attachment, and you're not going to be able to see it very well in this demonstration, but the videos will be posted also with the exercise that we're doing, showing some of the animals that are living in this water droplet that we found in our backyard, and then videoed and photographed with our smartphone. So that's what we have so far. We're going to continue to look at fish tanks, ponds, and other places where we can find microorganisms and take more pictures, more samples, more videos. As the weather warms up, hopefully we can get more samples out in nature and have to depend less on culturing our own samples inside in these really stinky collection jars that we've done so far. So look forward to seeing you on the website, and I'll have some videos posted there soon.